Okay guys, welcome back to the vlog. Part 2, another huge vlog consisting of reviews with the new Lamborghini SVJ Roadster, the 2020 Corvette C8 Stingray, and we'll be taking a look at the Ford GT Mark II. I just want to say thank you first and foremost to Steve's POV for doing an interview on my channel. That was one of the greatest moments of my YouTube career so far. Steve, you're the greatest guy. And again, I'll put a link to his channel in my description and a link to the interview in description as well. I just wanted to do a quick intro to say thank you for helping me reach 300 subscribers. To all the new and past subscribers, thank you so much. Every subscription helps grow the channel. I love doing this for you guys, as you guys know. And I keep reiterating, this channel's all about you guys. It's to bring you guys the rarest and sickest hypercar, supercar content that I can find, and it's been pretty crazy so far. So like I said, part 2 of the auto show vlog, and if you've seen my Instagram, yes, the Bugatti L'Aventure Noir was there, the $16 million one of one. I'm saving that for the last part. Sort of the best for last type thing, as kind of go out on a big bang. Also, I just want to take this opportunity to update you guys on I've updated my giveaway. So as you guys know, if you guys can help me reach 1,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway of all my rare collectible Hot Wheels and this Ferrari FXX Enzo Hot Wheels Elite, the Bugatti 0 to 400 special edition. So I've now updated it with the Bugatti Chiron Hot Wheels, the Aston Martin Vulcan, which is insane, and best yet, the McLaren F1 LM car. So it keeps growing, you guys. If you guys are hardcore collectors like I am, please like and subscribe. Please share the video and help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll give away all of that, including the FXX Hot Wheels Enzo, which is a big one for me. That's really hard to get rid of, but I love doing this channel for you guys. It's all about you guys, so anything I can do to help, make your guys' experience that much better. So please like and subscribe, please share, please recommend the channel to all your friends. And again, thank you for helping me reach 300 subscribers. I never imagined I would get to that, but here we are. So parts 3 and 4, I've now, oh, by the way, sorry, one more quick thing is that videos will now be Tuesdays. And also when spring starts, I'll be going back to a 2 to 3 video a week format. We'll be doing other I have several really cool invites. We'll be going to go down to Gatineau to see OB Prestige Autos collection, and also Grand Touring Autos, the Bugatti Lamborghini dealership of Toronto. Paul Gilbert has invited me to film there. As you guys know, if you watch my video where I get to start in Rev a Pirelli edition, I get to meet him in that video. I saw him at the auto show. He's invited me to film there, so we'll be filming there, and we'll be going back to my regular schedule, 2 to 3 videos, you guys. Again, thank you for all the support. Please like and subscribe. Please share this video. And I love doing this for you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you to Steve's POV. Okay, guys, part 2, SVJ Roadster, C8 Corvette, Mark II Ford GT. But look, you guys, new Corvette C8. It's pretty sick. So we'll get a chance to sit in it, and I'll do some B-roll. Anyway, yeah, so a new C8, and we'll sit in it, check it out. Okay, guys, new Corvette C8, what do you think?
I got one on order.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, C8 convertible.
Wow.
It's gonna be, can't wait for it. I got an April 6th TPW, so it's going to be one of the first ones, hopefully.
Nice. Do you know your VIN number yet?
No, not yet. I won't know that until probably a few weeks before April.
Okay,
That's
nice.
when we'll start to produce them.
Did you spec your color?
Yep, we got a torch red with the black top, convertible, 2LT.
Oh, nice.
it should be nice.
Yeah, nice. Look at this, you guys. So check that out. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
It's very driver focused.
Yes. And like they say, like the pictures don't do it any justice. It does look better in real life. Everything looks like it's meant to be where it is. You don't feel claustrophobic. You don't feel alienated. I sat in the passenger seat. It feels good.
Yeah, no, I'm loving it. I'm loving the cockpit style, like, to it, like,
yeah,
how the driver is, and like,
yep, even the shape of the steering wheel goes with the dash. It's like you can see everything. There's nothing blocking nothing.
Wow, okay. I'm digging the rear view mirror, like, camera. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Is this one convertible?
Yes.
It is. It is. Oh, nice. I like that it's like more of like a I want to keep saying T-roof, but
yeah, it's a hard top.
Hard top
convertible.
Yeah.
Just pops up and right back, just like the Italian exotics.
Yeah, exactly. Oh yeah, man. Well, this is pretty sick. Well, thank you for your time,
no
man.
problem.
Thank you. What's your name?
John.
Jarrett.
Jarrett.
Nice to meet you. Okay, guys, check this out. New Corvette C8. We just talked with a guy who's got one on order. Look at this. Okay guys, car number 2, another big reveal. So the Lamborghini SVJ Roadster, look at that, cerulean blue. Our good friend Paul at Grand Touring, who we will go and visit one day, just like, it's unreal. Look at, so carbon roof Roadster, so check that out, you guys. No way. Look at that, you guys. Boom, roof comes off. Sick. Then goes in the frunk. Sick. How lucky are we to catch that? Boom, in the trunk, or frunk. Beautiful. Okay guys, it's 2 pieces, I didn't even realize that. Sick. Boom, right in the front, just like that.
What the heck?
Doors closed. Oh, best doors in the business.
Yeah, oh, look at it.
Okay guys, for GT number 2, the new one, number 1 for this channel, and look what it is, the Mark II. Un-freaking believable. So we're gonna get into this, and then after we're gonna get into the Miura, the Enzo, and so forth, but look at the spec. The Mark II 4 GT. Look at the wing, the hood, roof scoop, this thing's unreal.
Perfect.